my favorite people. I am on my way right now to the bank to get the money order for the apartment. I'm so excited and so nervous. Okay. So fingers crossed we get it. Yeah, I'm going to the bank to get a money order, and then I'm going to go drop it off, and then I'm going to go to my mama's and chill for a little bit before I got to go pick up Zari. And then, yeah, I hope, honest to God, we get it. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I feel like an adult. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just walking to the bank. And hopefully all goes well. And, yeah, it was a struggle to get here, but, you know what I'm saying? We're here. And we're moving on up. So, yeah. I don't know, you guys. I'm nervous. Like, what would be the reason why we don't get it? And yeah, but I think we're pretty good candidates. I would rent to us. So yeah, when I get to my next stop, I will holler back. Bye. Anyways, guys, so I am at mom's. Probably by the time I put up this vlog, we would have probably already heard back from them, so we'll know whether or not we are moving or not into that place. Whether or not we get it or not, we're still moving. I just probably gotta go move with my mama, and he'll gotta go move with his mama, ain't shit. So yeah, I really loved the apartment. I'm sorry I never got the chance to show you guys, because every time I went there, something, either my camera wasn't working or my camera just wasn't working. So maybe it's meant to be that I wasn't able to show you guys that one, because that's the one that I'm going to be getting, you know, because I showed you guys so many before and I never ended up getting them or going after them. So this one we actually went after, Marlon actually seen. So I feel great. So hopefully they love us, because I love me, and Marlon loves me, and so we should hopefully get it, and I'll be so excited. I love the kitchen, you guys. Like, I love the kitchen. You know? So pray for us. Because we need it. Yeah, so at mom's. And yeah. So I'll talk to you guys later. Actually, maybe not. You guys want to stay with me for a little? So hot in here. I'm like, damn, she's fine. Wonder if she'll be mine. She walked past, I press rewind. Ooh, does she have bread? My mama got jam and stuff, you know what I'm saying? She be getting jam. That might be backwards when you guys see it, but yeah, it's strawberry. Strawberry, no sugar added to Edie's triple fruit strawberry with raspberry and plum. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. So I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna catch up on The Real and Divorce Court and Family Feud and Wife Swap and Reba before I gotta go to job number 1 and get Zari from school. And yeah, I don't know why I say that so much. And yeah. Oh, so you know how everybody's been doing these story time videos? Yo, I got some videos I'm gonna be sharing with y'all. Like, I'm so excited. Like, okay, just you guys see the lighting here? There's no light on right now. This is because the sun is shining through a window. Okay, so this is all natural lighting. When I be moving, that is what I'm gonna be getting. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm gonna be getting. That's what I want. I feel like this is the space that Oh, you guys, have you ever seen my old room? No. Okay, so this is my old room. When, like, yeah, I lived with my mom. Got some pictures of me on the wall. This is a picture. Wait, hold on. Yeah, so this was a picture of me at my graduation. This is baby me. Oh, she's so cute. Look at those lips. Oh, look at those rings. Look at his hands. Look at the rose. Oh, she's such a cute baby. Yes, I weighed 10 pounds, 13 ounces at birth. And this was me when I thought I was cute in grade 10. Was this grade 10? I don't even remember. I think this was grade 10 because I was still wearing my tie. And I went to Runnymede Collegiate Institute. Yeah. Runnymede. What are we? Runnymede. What? I don't even remember what Runnymede is. Oh, no, that's Oakdale. Never mind. Here's a picture of me and Mar. This I made one for myself for Valentine's, and then I made one for him for Valentine's. This was like right in the beginning of like our relationship. And yeah, you know? And then I had painted my walls green and brown because, you know, that be my last name and stuff. And then I thought I was cute one time. I tried to decorate my room because I was like, I'm living here. And I was living here for like 20 something years. I had all these teddy bears and shit all over my room and stuff. And I was just like, okay, like I'm getting older now. I don't need all of that. So my sister was like, decorate your room. And I was like, okay, DIY. So I made this. And this is my bed. It's not going nowhere. This is my computer desk. I'll be taking this with me if I get the apartment. When I get the apartment, sorry. And this is... yeah. Anger problems. And I have set that up for my bag. So cute. Hey, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Yeah, so I'm on my way to Thanksgiving dinner. And I left my camera at home. And I don't think I have a lot of space left on my phone. So I'm just gonna make this quick in case there is nothing to show for the rest of my Thanksgiving holidays. But yeah, I'm going to Lorraine's. She invited me over for dinner. My family's not having dinner this year. And yeah. So yeah, that's where I'm going right now. So if I don't get to see you guys again for today, happy Thanksgiving to you and yours from me and mine. What you say, I'm okay. What you say.